Let's be honest for a second. You opened your chart today, you saw a setup, you took it, and it went against you. Again. You felt that heat rising in your chest, that urge to move your stop loss, or worse, double down to make it back. You look at the statistics that say 90% of traders fail, and you think, I'm smarter than them. But deep down, you're scared you might actually be one of them. Listen, I'm not here to judge you. I'm here to tell you exactly why you're losing money. And I promise you it has nothing to do with your strategy or the indicators on your screen. The first reason you're stuck in that 90% is that you are trying to control the uncontrollable. You think if you analyze enough, if you draw enough lines, the market owes you a profit. That is the ego talking. The market doesn't care about your rent, your dreams, or your analysis. The professionals who make it into the top 10% accepted one hard truth. They don't know what will happen next, and they don't need to know to make money. They play the probabilities. You are playing the prediction game, and that is a game you will always lose. Let's dig deeper. Why do you really trade? Is it for freedom, or is it for the dopamine hit? Most losing traders are actually dopamine addicts in disguise. When you win, you feel like a god. When you lose, you feel worthless. This emotional roller coaster is what drains your account. You take trades not because the setup is perfect, but because you are bored or you need to feel productive. Real trading is actually pretty boring. If you are feeling excitement every time you click buy or sell, you are not trading, my friend. You are gambling at a casino called the stock market. Hey, before we get to the solution, if you feel like I'm speaking directly to your soul right now, do me a quick favor, hit that like button and subscribe to Trade Mentality. Let's build that winning mindset together so you don't have to walk this path alone. So, how do we fix this? How do you jump from the losing 90% to the winning 10%? You have to flip your main goal upside down. Right now, your goal is make money. That needs to change. Your new goal is protect capital. That's it. Stop trying to hit home runs. Your job is to stay in the game. When you focus on how much you can lose instead of how much you can win, the pressure disappears. You stop taking stupid trades. You stop revenge trading because you respect your capital more than your need to be right. Finally, you need to detach from the outcome. This is the hardest part. You need to reach a point where a winning trade and a losing trade feel exactly the same. Nothing, just data. To do this, you have to trade small, so small that the loss doesn't make your heart race. Build your confidence with small wins. Prove to yourself that you can follow a plan for 30 days straight without breaking a rule. That discipline is what separates the pros from the gamblers. It's not about the money. It's about mastering yourself. Listen, trading is the hardest way to make easy money. The market will always be there, but your capital won't be if you don't change today. Take a breath. Forgive yourself for the past losses and start treating this like a business, not a hobby. Thanks for watching. Keep your mind clear and I'll see you in the next video.